Hello everyone, and welcome back to Boost Your English. I'm Jason, and I'm so happy to see you here today. This is your space to learn English step by step with simple explanations and powerful tips. Today's topic is very special. It's one of the biggest secrets of fluency. Are you ready? The topic is thinking in English. If you want to speak English naturally without translating in your head, you must learn how to think directly in English. Let's dive in and discover how this works. Why is thinking in English so important? Here's the truth. Translation slows you down. Imagine someone asks you a question in English. If your brain goes, here English translate to my language, make answer in my language, translate back to English, you lose time and you feel nervous. But if you think directly in English, your words flow faster. You answer with confidence. You sound more natural. How do you train your brain to think in English? Don't worry, it doesn't happen overnight, but with daily practice, it's possible. Start small. For example, instead of saying in your language, "Where's my phone?" then translating, just say it directly in English. "Where's my phone?" When you see food, don't think of the word in your language. Think apple, bread, rice. The more you do this, the more automatic it becomes. Simple activities to practice thinking in English. Morning thoughts. As soon as you wake up, say 3 things in English about your day. Object naming. Look around and name 5 objects in English. Example: chair, window, book, pen, water. Mini questions. Ask yourself simple questions in English. Example: what time is it? What do I need to do now? Shadowing. Listen to a short sentence in English and repeat it immediately without translating. Mistakes are normal. Sometimes you may think of the wrong word or structure, and that's okay. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect, it's to train your brain. Every time you think in English, you're building a new habit. Closing. Let's review today's lesson. Thinking in English is the key to fluency. Translation slows you down, but direct thinking makes your speech faster and more natural. You can train your brain with daily habits like morning thoughts, object naming, mini questions, and shadowing. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep practicing, and soon English will become your natural way of thinking. Thank you so much for joining me today on Boost Your English. Start thinking in English today, and you'll see amazing results.